That's the temple there. Finally, we're here. So, today will be our last ride sa train. Right? Going to the temple. Ito yung last ride namin. That's the temple.
Tuscany Station. End of line. Please remember to take all your personal belongings when leaving the train. Thank you for choosing Calgary Transit.
Finally, we're here. Dito na tayo sa last. Ito po yung pinaka-last na station. From Bridlewood, Somerset to Tuscany. So, end of line. Alright. Right, let's go.
It's more windy here because it's the north.
Yes. Mas windy talaga dito guys kasi mas mataas. Amulak. Faster than for Amulak. Seniors, go to elevator. Masakit sa paa.
That's true.
Go, go, go.